Dismantling the Citroen C4 B7 door mirror. How to remove the mirror glass and cover. I'm not going to edit and clip out this video too much, just so I can show that it does take a little bit of patience, and you don't want to force things and just gently try to pull these parts apart. Now, starting off with the mirror glass, look all around and then there should be an opening. Do not use a flathead middle screwdriver like that. Use a plastic tool. This way you would not have to break the mirror glass, or that way you won't break the mirror glass. And just gently pry it from all angles first. Don't just try to wriggle it out from one side alone. And then it should come off, and then you'll need to unplug the mirror glass if it's heated. Now you'll need to press on that section there and then pull the plug out. So press onto that section and then pull the plug out. If it's giving you a bit of trouble from the sides, just gently pry the plug off. The mirror glass is generally quite easy to remove and replace. The mirror cover though, even though these are the places that clip on, they're a bit annoying. So you'll need to simultaneously unclip the mirror cover clips. There's actually 3. First I'll unclip these 2, and then once these 2 are unclipped, from the outer side I will try to push in the clips and then wriggle the cover off. I won't be doing too much of a voiceover as the video speaks for itself. Once you've unclipped, just gently pull the mirror cover off. There's still one more, but that one is in a very difficult spot to reach, and you'll see it shortly, but it does come off. So that's the 3rd clip over there. This is how you remove the mirror cover and mirror glass from a Citroen C4 B7.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.